Alright, so we are now walking to Cologne West, where we're going to catch a tram to the Lindt chocolate factory, so that's going to be fun. So, let's go! Germany really doesn't make things align, like, but. So we're trying to work out what tram to catch, or what tram/train to catch to get to the Lindt factory, and we think we just missed it, but we're just trying to figure out, like, oh mom, there's one coming now. So we got on this tram or train. It's going to take us to the city, but I think we'll catch another tram to get to the chocolate factory. So we hopped on this train, and hopefully it will take us to our place. Oh my gosh, it's giant! Literally. We did not know that this was here. Man, that is giant. No, Dad. So my dad took us to the wrong Lindt factory. It's meant to be like a big old factory, not just a shop. Wait, Mum.
Back where we were, isn't it?
Where was it? 22-minute walk.
Yeah, see, we're in Newmarket, we need to be in Newmarket.
So my dad put in Newmarket instead of Huey Market, and now we are here, sadly. We're trying the first chocolate ball they gave us. Come on. Thank you. You can turn it off now.
How is it?
It's so good. Okay, so I've got my own thing here. So I've chose chopped hazelnut, I chose caramel, mini Smarties, and chocolate chips. Okay, so now we're going to pay for it, and they're going to personalize it, and it's going to be ready in 45 minutes. Okay, so now you can see it, my order there. She's picked it up, and now she's going to probably get all the ingredients and put it into the mold. So I got 4 chocolates here from them, and let's see what they are. That one's just normal.
They're all the same.
No, I think they're all different.
You don't have to eat them all.
Yeah, I do. They're all the same. Alright, so this is my concoction of my chocolate bar. It looks really nice.